All right, so we are on Crown Princess. So we are on Emerald Deck. We are in cabin 716.
Cruise crate fam, let's sail away. Everywhere we wanna play. On the seas we roam.
So this is an interior cabin. Now it does automatically pick up off your medallion when you are close, and it will unlock the door for you. So, all right, now we're in. All right, so I'll come straight into the main part of the cabin first. So this is a quad. So these are the bunks that will come down tonight. So there will be 4. It's not going to be much room under there, is there, by the time they come down? No. But they do seem to be pretty high, so it looks like our suitcases will probably fit under there. We've got lamps. What are these for? That's for the mains. And that's for over near the bathroom. That's flashing.
Yep.
Okay. We have drawers either side here. They're a little bit tough, but they're not going to fly open when the ship moves, I can tell you that. So yeah, got that. So they will come down, so the room stewards will put them down for us. We don't need to do anything. Got a couple of glasses. I always get this the wrong way. All right, fridge.
Stock standard, isn't it?
We need to put our drinks in there.
Yeah, I'll do that shortly.
We are allowed to bring a bottle of champagne per adult, so we have 2 per cabin. And got the telephone. So over here, there is a USB and a USB-C if you look carefully here. But other than that, we've only got US points. And pretty sure, isn't that a shaving one? Or is that a UK one? Pretty sure it's a shaving one.
Yeah.
And then we've got...
Hey, that one came out.
Hey! One. Hopefully this one works fine for me. I've had a bad history with these things, but yeah, so you just push the side there, that comes out. That's a hairdryer. Obviously a chair, so I can do my makeup. Some cupboards. Lots of little shelves down the side here. And nice big mirror. There's a mirror here, there's a mirror on the other side, big TV. We've got lots of documents here. We haven't gone through them all yet, but there seems to be some guides and stuff like that.
Any special surprises?
Yes, we have been invited to the Captain's Circle.
Oh.
Hey.
Do we know what that is?
So that's where we get to meet the captain and the hotel manager because we are platinum members.
Oh, nice.
So we are platinum members. So we do get priority disembarkation, 50% off any medallion net package, 10% off load of spa services, and 10% off photo gallery. We are platinum because I think we've done more than 5 sailings, I think it is.
I think it was, yeah.
Something like that. But none of them have been with Princess. This is our first Princess one. So how did we get it? Because we went on P&O. P&O points carried over to Princess previously. So here we are, priority on our first Princess cruise. All right. So I personally love this. People don't like it because it takes up space, but plenty of room for all my clothes. There is plenty of hangers.
They're great. This is a great spot. This is really good to store luggages and stuff.
I love it because we can stick all our bags and everything. Yeah. And as a family of 4, we have a lot.
Sticking them on the beds was a bit of a nuisance.
Yeah. If we're not going to use it, like if it's just an empty case, then that's fine. But if there's stuff that we actually want, it's a pain in the butt. And we had trouble on the Pacific Explorer, which was an ex-Princess ship, because the bags didn't fit under the beds. And we just had stuff everywhere. So anyway, got our life jackets. So it looks like there's 4 adults, 2 children. So Lyra will need a children's one. Ty is like 51 kilos, so he would go the adults. Lots of shelving. And safe.
So already I'm getting flashbacks of P&O.
This is very much like the Pacific Adventure. So if you have been on Pacific Adventure or Pacific Encounter, it is very similar. I'll take over from here because it's a bit cramped. But got your shower here. So these are little turn knobbies, so you got hot and cold. And then we've got body wash and shampoo and conditioner in one. So ladies, you probably want to bring your own conditioner. Toilet, obviously. Towels. We have extra towels because there's 4 of us down the bottom here. Tissues. Oh, there's even body lotion. I've not had that on a cruise before.
Wow.
And we've got 4 glasses. And then on the back of the door, there's a couple of hooks, which you can put your towels in here. We tend to put our towels back on the towel racks, and here we'll hang our toiletry bags. All right. One last thing, on the back of your door, you will always find where your muster station is. So it tells you how to put on a life jacket and what to do in the case of emergency. So after you've done your muster, make sure you pay attention to that. And you can also watch the video that's on your app as well. That's it.